Hi, what we bring here for 2013, well, Firefox is always hot, that's why it's got this tail. What we have here now is the Firefox OS devices. So last year we said we're going to bring Firefox to mobile devices. We're going to make mobile phones as affordable as normal phones, as like phones that you just can call with and can play a few games on, and we're going to bring the web to mobile devices, and that's what we've done. The Firefox OS phones that we have right now are supported by 19 different providers, and 4 different companies want to build phones with us with Firefox as the operating system on it. So the main difference of those phones is they have the same thing as all the other phones as well. You've got like your apps, you've got your Twitter, you've got your Facebook, you can call your friends, you can actually use it as a phone, which is very, very useful at times. And you can actually import all your friends from Facebook, so you don't have to type them in again. So that's pretty useful. I've got games, I've got Twitter, I've got all the things that I want. And all of these apps are actually much, much smaller than the ones you see on Android or iOS because they're web-based. So there is no technology in there that is not open, and that anybody who can build a website can build an application for this. So if you have a blog and you want to build an application for it, you can easily just wrap it around in a little frame, put it in there as an application, and people can have your website as the application. You have full control over the traffic, because we want to bring these out in markets that can't afford iPhones and Android phones. So they will be really cheap and affordable, and at the same time you can do the same thing. So I can basically know how much data I've been traveling on and how much far away from the allowance I have per day that I have up before it gets expensive. You know, when you got these SIM cards that got 100 meg a day or something like that. The other thing it does, and compared to others that it does much, much better, is that applications are just like websites. So if I want to know about a certain band, like if I want to say, for example, U2 the band, I can just search for U2, and instead of searching me at the content of U2, it offers me apps. It says like YouTube has content of for U2, Growth Sharks, and so on and so forth. If I click on any of those, I can try the application out. It doesn't download the full application, it downloads just a smaller version of it. And if I like it, I can keep it. If not, I can delete it. So we made getting apps and trying out apps as easy as surfing on the web. So for us as Firefox, the most important thing, or as Mozilla, the most important thing was to bring the web to devices and not have people go to an app store and install apps all the time and delete them all the time. So we wanted to make sure that anybody is allowed to be on the web who wants to be on the web, and that's why we did Firefox OS.